Welcome to Module 5. Topic: Michigan State Liquor Laws, Part 2. Information to be covered in this unit. Number 1. It is illegal to sell to or serve a minor alcoholic beverages. Number 2. What happens if you sell alcoholic beverages to or serve a minor? Number 3. When do minors have to leave the premises? Sell or giving of alcohol to minors. In Michigan, no one under the age of 21 can lawfully consume, purchase, or be in the possession of alcoholic liquor. In fact, if a person who is a minor, someone under the age of 21, makes the attempt to purchase alcohol, they can be fined or imprisoned. A minor shall not purchase or attempt to purchase, consume or attempt to consume, possess or attempt to possess alcoholic liquor. A minor who violates this subsection is guilty of a misdemeanor, punishable by the following fines and sanctions. First offense: a fine of not more than $100, possible substance abuse, treatment, and possible community service. Second offense: imprisonment for not more than 30 days if there is a probation violation or failure to complete a court order, and a fine of not more than $200. Third offense: imprisonment for not more than 60 days if there is a probation violation or failure to complete a court order, and a fine of not more than $500. An individual who furnishes fraudulent identification to a minor is guilty of a misdemeanor punishable by imprisonment of not more than 93 days of a fine of not more than $100 or both. A peace officer who has reasonable cause to believe a minor has consumed alcoholic liquor may require the person to submit to a preliminary chemical breath analysis, CBA. A peace officer may arrest a person based in whole or in part on the results of a CBA. The results of a preliminary CBA or other acceptable blood alcohol test are admissible in a criminal prosecution to determine if the minor has consumed or possessed alcoholic liquor. Refusal to submit to a breath analysis is a state civil infraction and may be ordered to pay a civil fine of not more than $100. Now, what happens if you serve alcohol to a minor? Here's what the Michigan Law 436.1701 says. Alcoholic liquor shall not be sold or furnished to a minor, except as otherwise provided in subsection 2 and subsections 4, 5, and 6. A person who knowingly sells or furnishes alcoholic liquor to a minor, or who fails to make diligent inquiry as to whether the person is a minor, is guilty of a misdemeanor. A retail licensee or a retail licensee's clerk, agent, or employee who violates this subsection shall be punished in the manner provided for licensees in Section 909, except that if the violation is the result of an undercover operation in which the minor received alcoholic liquor under the direction of the state police, the commission, or a local police agency as part of an enforcement action. The retail licensee's clerk, agent, or employee is responsible for a state civil infraction and may be ordered to pay a civil fine of not more than $100. All employees who serve or sell alcoholic beverages must be no less than 18 years of age. Under the age of 18 cannot sell or serve any alcoholic liquor. Must minors be out of my bar or restaurant by 9 p.m.? For the most part, a minor child under the age of 17 cannot remain in any establishment where alcohol beverages are sold or furnished, unless the minor is accompanied by a parent or guardian. A proprietor, keeper, or manager at any such place who permits a minor child to remain in any such place is guilty of a misdemeanor. Although MCL 750.141 states that a minor child under 17 years of age can remain if accompanied by a parent or guardian.